Wow, I'm impressed. All you need is a recipe if you're on this video. Well, let's figure out how to get it. So right here is where we want the recipe for your spice. But really, we're going to want the link first. So that's what we're going to get. How do we do that? We're going to go up top here, click our plus. And we're going to search for recipes with coriander. That's my spice. So I'm going to see what I made a spelling mistake, so I'm going to click that one. Now I can scroll down here and there's all these recipes that are going to pop up. I have to pick one of them and see which ones I like. And, maybe it's something I want to cook. And I kind of like, maybe I like, oh, this one looks pretty good. So that's one way. I'm going to also share another link with you that's on your project page. So you just saw how I did the Google search for a recipe, but another thing you can do for your recipe is you can go back up over here to your project page. And if you open up the project under Spice Notes, I added for you, I gotta go to instructions, sorry, because my view is different. I added another link, all recipes, food, friends, and recipe inspiration. If you click on that one, this website will now open. And up here, you can type in your food or spice that you're going to use, and it'll do a search for recipes. So once you do that, you'll get a list of all these delicious recipes that have your spice in, and then you can pick it. Hit dismiss on these pop-ups. You don't want them to do it. So I kind of don't go for the ones that have the video play button. If you see this, you're not going to click on it because it's not going to take you to the correct thing. That's a video on how to make something. We don't want to use that. So you're going to look for something that does not have a video, that sounds good to you, that you want to make. I'm going to go here with the coriander tabbouleh salad. I'm going to click on it, and this recipe looks good to me. Now, using the same exact technique that we used when we got the spice advice page address, we're doing it up here. So you want to go and click up top here, right up in this address bar so that it turns blue. So click in and it turns blue. Now use your mouse menu button, the right button, right click, copy. Now go to your document. Underneath where it says recipes, click under the R, right click, paste, then enter. Now you are done everything you need to do today. Tomorrow we will do more. Oh, wait, you still need a link for your map. That we need to add in here. So I'm going to click enter under Italy. I'm going to click up here. I'm going to type the word Italy. And I don't want to type map because I don't want to go to Google. But once you come there, you can click maps and it's going to bring you, oh, we didn't want that one. I'm going to go back. We want to go to images of Italy, and we're going to do the same thing as we did for our food pictures. And you're going to pick the map you like, right click, copy image, not copy, right click, copy image address, go back to your document, right click, paste, then enter. Now you have all your links and everything you need. So next tech class, you can make your poster.